Hi guys, this is Vasant. Welcome to my channel and we are going to have a quick session on Vim Editor. Let's get started. Let me create a first file using Vim Editor. Vim vasant.txt I am creating right now. So whenever creating a new file, it will be appear like here, like new file. So if it is a existing file, this won't appear. So I'm going to insert mode. For that I need to press I button. So I'm pressing I, so it will be appeared like I'm in insert mode right now. So once you're in insert mode, you can type anything. So I'm typing here, hi, this is tutorial. So once I done this, I'm pressing escape to get out from the insert mode, and then I'm giving colon WQ exclamation. W means right, Q means quite, and exclamation means forceful. So I'm writing it and quieting forcefully. Okay, I'm getting out from that. So let me check whether it's got saved. Okay, I'm checking that. So it got saved. So now it's not appeared like new file. So it's existing file. So let me tell you like what is called append. Append means just you need to press A. So once you press A, the cursor is right now in L, and then the cursor will move on to the next position. So it's moved next position. It's append mode. So once you append mode, you can write anything like insert mode what you have done. So I am just pressing enter, and second I am just second line. I'm pressing an escape, and then I'm saving this detail and getting out. So instead of, if you don't want to save, just press colon Q and exclamation. That will be quite okay. Now right now I'm having two lines. Then I'm see if I'm in the first letter of the second line, I want to move the end of the line. Means you don't need to use the arrow marks to go on to the end of the line. You just need to press Shift A, so it will be go to the end of the line. Okay, right now I'm just want to create a new line. So what you have to do means press O. So if you press O, it moves to the next line. So it's a third line. Third line. Okay, then I am saving this one and then closing. After that, I am just opening this again, and then right now we are going to see how to do the copying inside Vim. So I'm just copying this tutorial line to the fourth line. So I'm in the first line where I need to copy. So I just placing the cursor. So wherever you can place in the first line, so that's not a problem. So first I'm placing it here and then pressing YY. So this is copied right now. So if you want to place it in fourth line, then I need to place the cursor in third line. So just I need to enter P. So if I give P, then it will be pasted in fourth line. So if you want to paste it in a third line, then you have to place the cursor in second line, and then you have to press P, and then the line will be pasted. Okay, I'm press again. I am doing right now. I'm going to do cutting the line. So I'm for cutting, you need to press DD. So I'm pressing DD. It got cutted, and then I'm just want to paste that cutted line into line 2. So I'm just move on to line 1 and then pressing P, it got pasted in the line 2. So this is how you have to cut the line. And after that we are going to do multiple line commenting. So for that you have to press Ctrl V. So it will going to that visual block method. So once you are in visual block method, you can press down arrow in order to select the lines. So if you are in the, if you are in the multiple lines of files, you can press either down arrow, up arrow, whichever you wanted to do. Okay, I am right now, my need is want to go down, so I'm just moving down. Once I have entered down state, after that I have to press Shift I. Once I press Shift I have to enter this hash symbol. So once I have entered the hash symbol, I have to press escape. So the all line will be commented out. So this is how I have to comment all the lines. Okay, now I have commented the lines using visual block method. Then I have to comment the line by line wise means. Then this is how you have to do. So first I have to enter the colon, then I have to enter the lines 2, comma, I want to enter the line 4, and then yes, you have to give, then you have to give this symbol, and then you have to give as symbol. So this will add a extra asterisks on the second, third, and fourth lines. So it has been added. This is how you have to use command systems using numbers. So you have to uncomment. For uncomment, same method like 2 comma 3 yes, instead of giving asterisk outside, you have to give inside. So if you press enter, the commenter line will be gone. So here I have entered 2 comma 3 only, so the second line, third line only got removed, and fourth line still remains. Okay. Then you have to search some strings, means what you have to do means same things, colon, then you have to uh, you have to search for searching, you have to either press slash or you have to give question mark. So for plus slash, I'm giving line. So this is there are two the strings available in this whole file, so I'm giving a line. So just press enter. Once I press enter, this will be highlighted like this, and then if you press n, it will go to the next one. So if it is multiple line string is available, so it will move on one another, like that. In question mark also the same thing. Right now I'm pressing tutorial, giving tutorial here, entered, giving n. So it's moved on all the tutorial places. Okay, this is how you have to search strings. Then I am giving numbers. So set numbers mean this will list give number to all the lines available in the file. That's all from him. This is more than enough if you are working as a Linux administrator. Thank you. Bye.